Welcome to our YouTube video, guys.
Yes, today we have a sequel to one of our other videos we did. It's right over here. We had made a robot out of the materials in one of these boxes. And we have like 5 of these stacked up now. So we thought we'd pick the ones that we found the most interesting and go ahead and record them.
Yeah, and here he is too.
This is the robot from
Sorry,
our other
Paul.
video. You can see it go from a box like this to a full-fledged robot. So I bet you're wondering, well, actually no, you're not wondering, because you saw it on the title. But, in case you didn't, we're gonna be making an air cannon.
Yeah.
Shoot an air vortex across the room and experiment with fluid dynamics. Uh-oh, we have a problem. This is for ages 9 and up. How old are you?
6.
But if you turn a 6 upside down...
9.
Okay, we're good. So, let's get into our box. I'm gonna try and make this video a little different from the last one. I know I showed pretty much everything, us building it and all. I'm still gonna show us building it, but I'm gonna try and fast forward through a lot of it. Ooh, it looks like this one comes with a little game.
I'm not gonna use the target because I want to see that now.
Well, we can do both.
Okay.
Ah, this looks fun.
Ooh,
Distance challenge.
distance.
A memory game. All sorts of fun stuff. And here's our instructions on the back. Okay, then we got one of these Tinker Zines. We saw this in what show? Blue's Clues, where he made one of those.
Yeah.
That was a fun episode.
Yeah.
So this one's just like a little magazine that gives you a bunch of different tips and experiments, kind of relating to the project that comes in here. And we get a marker. These 2, I guess you call them rolls for the air cannon, I believe.
What rolls?
What is this?
The box.
Oh, smoke cones. Ooh. Here's your targets. This looks like stove. Lots of tape. And that goes on the air cannon for sure. Ah, looks like we get to make 2 air cannons so that we can play against each other. And here is Vortex Cannon mini games. We got Tic-Tac-Toe, Pitfall, and Point-A-Palooza. Oh, also the golden target.
I'll play golden target.
Well, we're gonna have to finish making our materials first.
Okay.
Looks like we're not gonna need the box for this one.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna experiment with a top-down view while we're building it. Alright, so let's check out our first step. Start here. First thing is we're gonna build the target stand that goes with our air cannon. So we need some wooden stand bases.
Stand bases.
It's pretty much all these pieces. Pretty cool.
So
This is gonna be our target stand.
those gaps are gonna be where the targets.
The targets are
supposed
gonna be
to
hanging from here.
Okay.
Hang. Yep. So, just like we thought. we got our little targets.
Can I hang some targets on?
Of course. And there we go. There's our little target range ready for us. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back here.
Careful.
You guys can see us use the target range after we're done with our main adventure.
Yes.
So,
And
now-
the adventure still continues.
now we're actually gonna go and build the cannon itself.
Yeah, not just the targets.
So, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make 2 air cannons. So we're gonna build the baby's air cannon first.
Okay, can I blue?
So, we're going to start with a balloon. So, which color of balloon would you like yours to have? Purple. So, the first thing you do with it, so we're going to find the point on the balloon where it just starts to widen and carefully cut straight across the balloon. We'll use the bigger piece for the next step.
Okay.
But right here, we're gonna cut across the balloon. And we're gonna use this piece.
And we're gonna flip it inside out?
Stretch the balloon over the piece at the end of the paper tube. Make sure it's centered and stretched evenly. You want the blue one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, gotta stretch it over the end of the tube. Oh boy. Surprised it's not tearing. Oh.
This is how you pull it.
Let's save that for when we actually do it.
Yeah. What are we gonna have in it that's gonna like hit it?
Okay. Next step. Wrap tape around the edge of the balloon to hold it in place. Ah, that's what keeps it safely on. This is some nice tape.
Yeah. Quality tape.
Alright, sorry, I had to adjust the camera. I saw how wild it got. So, we're going to go
Put
ahead
the
and
duct
put
tape
the
on.
tape on. Makes it look like a secret agent weapon.
Yeah. That's good. Secret agent weapon.
Nice. That is on there. Okay. So let's test out the air cannon with target stand. Hold the tube in one hand and grab onto the middle of the balloon with the other. Aim the cannon at the target and stand back and release. The cards might wiggle a bit, but nothing much should happen yet. Let's keep building. So I'll hold it, and you pull back, and maybe we're a little far. Let's get a little closer. There we go. The cards wiggled a little bit, but nothing happened just yet. Here's our first test. One wiggle.
Two wiggle. Oh,
So
zero
it
wiggle.
moved a little bit. So we need to do something to make the air pressure more focused so that it doesn't just kind of go. So that's where these next steps are coming in. Ring of air powerful enough to knock off a target card. Have a friend fire the air cannon at your hand to experience what this feels like. Ready to have your hand shot with air? and right here. How'd that feel?
Air. I feel it. That's how air feels like air.
So, you should have different ring sizes that we can switch on and lock them into place. And
So
that'll
this
give
is a
you a
different
different
type of
power of air.
So this is low power of air?
This is higher because there's less air coming out.
Oh. I want to try that on target.
Well, we're gonna have to lower the camera first. So, select a different ring, press down on the open tube, twist the ring, we did that. High five, you made an air cannon.
Woo!
Look at that bad boy.
I just need to repeat the steps one more time.
Yep, that's the last step, is repeat the steps again.
That's why it's fast forward.
Make sure you're pulling the balloon straight back from the center. If you pull back at an angle from the side of the balloon, your cannon won't fire at all. So you have to be straight back. Pull.
That was so strong.
Alright, so I'm gonna give this to baby, and I'm gonna make mine. So why don't you go ahead and play with that while I fast forward over here. And there we go, 2 completed air cannons. 1 for daddy, and 1 for the baby. Alright, so we have our completed air cannons.
Woo!
You saw us build the whole thing.
Yeah.
And now, the final test. Can we knock these targets out? So I'm gonna let you do first, and then I'll go next. I'm gonna say the blues are worth 1, the reds are worth 2, and the gold one is worth 5. It has to come all the way off.
All the way?
Alright, ready? Right here. And go. Oh, that's your first shot. Hey, you did 2 shots in a row. That means I get 2 shots in a row.
But I got the gold and I got 5
Oh, look,
points.
I just got 3.
I got 5 and that's all.
Everyone's saying you guys are off in the air.
Well, I just want to say, we're actually playing the game. Oh, look, I knocked how many off in one shot? Oh! Final points up here. Who won? What's that? It's me. It's me. I won.
Me.
Ah! Vigorous baby fighting sounds. Alright. Real quick. Ava, how do you feel about this experiment?
10 out of 10.
You think the Tinker Crate with the air cannon was awesome?
Yes.
I think this was way more... I like the robot a lot. I think I like the air cannons better.
But the robot can walk.
The robot can't walk, but we can shoot air. I'm gonna knock him over. I can't knock him over.
He's magic.
I'm gonna think about knocking him over.
He's magic. He's gonna fall. Well, yours has come true.
So yeah, again, good job, Tinker Crate. These were a lot of fun. Have a good day. Make sure you
Like and subscribe for more videos like this.
listen to the baby. Bye.